Hello children. In this part we will now write some word meanings of this lesson. Okay, as you can see I have written some of them, but here is a condition that you have to make sentence of these word meanings by yourself. Okay, not from book but by yourself. You can take help from your parents or your brother or sister. Let's move to the first word meaning. Now, first is number one is act. Act. ACHED. ACHED. You also have to learn these word meanings by heart. Act, which means suffered. 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 Number two, companion. So, next one is companion. 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 Companion, which means, I told you, friend. Means friend. FRIEND. Now, next number is third, strange. 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 Strange, which means unusual. 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 Now, number fourth, stream. 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 Stream, which means a narrow river. A narrow river. NARROW. Narrow river. RIVER. A narrow river. Indeed. Indeed, which means really. 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 Number six is gathered. GATHERED. Gathered, which means collected. 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 You have to write in this cursive strokes also. Don't forget to write in cursive handwriting. Beautiful handwriting. And I have seen some of the students are writing so fast in very bad and very poor handwriting. I am not liking that. Please, I request to write in beautiful handwriting in very slow, and make proper cursive strokes so that it could look some better. Whenever someone look at your copy, it will look nice to them. Okay, I hope you understand that you all are very good students. Now move to the some exercise. Wait, I have given some questions for you children. First is you have to give the answer of this question by yourself. These are very simple. I hope you all can do that very easily. Who is author of this story? I know that you all know. I told you later. Who is this? Washington Irving. Next question is what message do you get from the story? Here you can see the message. One should not be lazy. We got a message. One should not be lazy from this story. You have to write like this in a sentence, not a single word. If I have asked that who is the author of this story, you have to give the answer like the author of this story is Washington Irving. What message do you get from the story? The message we got from the story is one should not be lazy. Okay. Now move to the next exercise. Here's the exercise. Here's the third question actually. Why was Rip Van Winkle asked to leave his job. Do you know why he was asked to leave his job? You have to give the answer of this question by yourself. Let me help you some. Yes. Why was Rip Van Winkle asked to leave his job? Do you know the answer? You can write Rip Van Winkle was asked to leave his job because he slept too much. It's very simple answer. And you have to do this also. It's your homework. Multiple choice question. Tick the correct answer in each. Rip Van Winkle was very lazy, active or clever. What was he? You have to tick the correct box. Okay, now move to the next page. Here, with whom did Rip Van Winkle go up the mountain? With whom did he go up to the mountain? His wife, a man, his dog, which is the correct answer. Who was Schooner? A soldier, schoolmaster, a doctor. For how many years did Rip Van Winkle sleep? 20 years, 30 years, 21 years. You have to tick the correct answer. Okay. Now move to the homework. Now this is your today's assignment. Assignment number 4. I have given 3 assignments to you, which you have to complete in 2 days. First is learn and write down word meanings and question answers which I have given to you, and MCQ, multiple choice question. Take the correct answer, okay, in your notebook in beautiful handwriting. This is your first assignment. Assignment number 2 is read the chapter at least 3 times. You have to read whole chapter at least 3 times properly. And if you have any doubt regarding that chapter, you can ask me. Okay? Now, third is write 2 pages of your cursive handwriting book in very beautiful handwriting with proper cursive strokes. So, that's all for today's class. We will meet in our next class. Complete your assignment in time and read the chapter properly and pronounce each word properly. Take care. Bye bye, children.